welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you the DIY closet that I put together because this room we're actually in now is actually the master, but it's by far the biggest room in the house. We're actually using it as a living room. So we are in the bedroom right next to the boys, if you remember in the video, and it's very small. So there was not enough room in the closet for both of our clothes. So I built my own closet, and I pretty much have what was the living room as a closet. So I'll probably do most of my filming in there, and I have my dresser and a body mirror and this really cute closet that I built. Also, when I went in to check on the boys, they were supposed to be napping. They had dismantled their baseboard heater. It is hot water heat. Luckily it was not on because it's warm, but they did not get hurt thankfully, but it was something we needed to address immediately. So we built this cute little baseboard heater cover that we're going to show you in this video as well. So if you're interested in seeing any of those things, just keep watching.
Boys, that's an owie. No, no. Let go, Clark. That will hurt you. Yeah, that's not a good idea. You too, crew bugs. That's no good. No good. Can Mama have it? Thank you. Daddy's gonna have to fix this immediately. Okay, so step one of this DIY baseboard cover. We took all the old stuff off and mounted this board. We sanded the corners, and it's gonna look really cute. Okay, so the first bracket is in place, and it's gonna look like a sweet little fence. How much is the gap between them? Clark, are you trying to help? No, buddy. You guys helping? Okay, so I wanted to show my project for the day. I had this clothing rack in my old house, and I just took some pieces out to shorten it down so I can hang some shirts there. And I'm going to use these crates I have on top of the clothing rack to put my most used shoes. And then I'm going to put another hanging bar at the very top. And like, this room's a mess, but this is like that weird little almost living room. But in this corner, I'm gonna make it like a closet for me because there's just not enough space in our closet in the bedroom. So I'll show you guys the after as well. All right, here's how it looks with some clothes on there. So I decided to go a different direction. I removed the stand that was there and decided to go a more permanent route. But there was no studs where I needed to hang my rod, so I just had Wyatt cut a piece of wood so that way we could put the curtain fixture on that piece of 2x4 instead, so it will hold plenty of clothes. I am repurposing the long dowels that I had stained and used for my farmhouse curtains at the old house on Fulton Street because the windows here are too wide for all of them, so I just want to be able to use them, and so this is what I came up with. Alright, so video tour of my boots up top, one pair of Birks. This has all my jeans, and then a couple of bags and belts. This middle tier is going to be where all my leggings go. And then I need to go through and organize my hanging stuff, how I want it hung, but I do have 2 rows of hanging stuff and then 2 little bins down there for extra shoes and whatnot. But all in all, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I hung a little curtain rod here, so I'm going to hang a curtain to hide it away when guests come over. Thanks so much for watching today. It was really fun to have you along. We have a lot of other projects we are wanting to do, so like and subscribe for more.